Hello everybody, how are we all? That light's, hold on, let me bring that light forward a bit dark. Pouring down the rain here. I've got this, let me show you. Mr. Marinade. I've never ever had that before in my life. It was at our butcher's, not the one I normally go to in town, it was at another one. I was sitting in their window. Now this is local to us, it's made locally. It's all marinated for you. I've got a chicken tikka, orange thigh one, and I've also got a piri piri thigh one. They do about 6 or 7 different ones, but they are quite expensive. £6.99p each. But I've got to try them and see what they're like. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, because well, I'll show you when we're on the side here. Some I've seen, so we'll have a look anyway. Let me show you. Okay, so let me show you first. I'll show you the piri piri one. There's the nutrition, ingredients and all that. 92% chicken. It doesn't say where the chicken's from, because I say it's not from the butcher. Well, it is from the butcher's, but it's made there. And I've looked, and it is chicken thighs, like obviously it says, but on the back it looks like, I don't know if that looks like a bit more like shredded chicken or what. Can you see? I don't know if the camera can pick it up. I can feel a few thighs in there, but I don't know whether it's more of a shredded. I don't know if you can see the piece, unless that's just the extra bits of chicken off the meat, if you get me in the marinade. But they do look absolutely delicious, and the butcher says they're really nice. So what I'm going to do, he doesn't even say how to cook them. Oh, let me show you the chicken tikka orange one there. It's just the same. It just says a unique blend of herbs and spices which may contain traces of nuts, bone and oils. The chicken used in this product comes from EC approved plants. Please ensure the product is piping hot as normal. That's what it says. It doesn't say nothing about how you cook it. So I didn't know whether you cooked it in, you know, in all the marinade or not. But if it's like that, like it looks shredded, then I'll cook it in the marinade. If it's thighs itself, I'll cook the thighs first, then I might put the marinade in after, if you get what I mean. Anyway, we're going to open one up first. I'll put it in a bowl so we can have a look. Right, I'll get the piri piri one open first, and we'll stick it in a bowl to see whether it is thighs or whether it is shredded. Let's have a look. Oh, you can see that, try not getting in the way of the camera. Oh no, it is thighs. It is thighs. Oh. There's one. That's it there, look. And it looks delicious, doesn't it? Oh, and that smells absolutely beautiful. Right, what I'm going to do, let me muzzle open the other one while I'm here now. In another bowl. And I've never ever had chicken tikka orange before, ever. Yeah, this will be interesting. Get that one open so we can see. They are 1 kg. Oh, that looks nice. How much is 1 kg of chicken thighs in the shop? About a fiver? 4 or 5 quid, I suppose, I don't know. And there's them ones. They look nice, don't they? Oh, God, yes. Right then, let's get over to the cooker and we'll fry them up. Okay, I've got 2 pans, one for each. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in both. Get that heated up. Yeah. You get quite a lot of chicken. We'll see exactly how much and what they look like when they're in the pan, won't we? But they look nice, don't they? Them chicken tikka orange. Look really nice, they do. Get the pans hot. Right, we will put the piri piri in this one, and we will fry them away. I say you can do them in the air fryer, couldn't you, I suppose, but I'm going to do them in here. Means I've never done them before. Or slow cook them, I suppose, couldn't you, or something like that. Barbecue, or barbecue weather now. There's them ones. And I'll move that to the back and I'll put this one at the front. And we will do the chicken tikka orange. I mean, look at them. It's really orange, that does. I don't think I'll get all this in this one, it's smaller pan. I could have done two separate videos, but I thought, no, I'm going to do them both together, you know. I'm not going to get one, or I won't be able to squeeze it in. I don't really like squeezing too much in like that. But hey, we'll get them in. And we will fry them up, and we will have a look. They're smelling delicious. I'm just keep turning them, that's all. They are quite thick. I didn't think they'd be that thick actually. I've got to make sure they're all cooked then on with the chicken. The chicken tikka one seems like it's got a lot, chicken tikka orange, seems like it's got a lot more fat in it. But yeah, next time you see them guys, it'll be when they're done. Okay guys, the piri piri ones are done. I'm going to get them into a bowl and I'm going to cover them, and the other ones aren't quite done yet. Smell absolutely delicious, honestly. It took a while to do. I'm going to loosely cover them and let them rest. And now, the chicken tikka orange ones. These look better, 100 times better, and they smell better as well. Oh. And I've decided what I'm going to do. You probably see it on the thumbnail by now anyway. You could have done it in a curry or rice or whatever, couldn't you? I'm going to put them on some flatbreads. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a bit of salad and some flatbreads. I'll slice them up. Okay, I'm just going to chop one up, see if they're cooked. Oh yes, lovely. Oh, they're nice and tender they are, I tell you. Really are. Right, I'll chop all these up then. Okay, let's cut the chicken tikka orange up. They're all done, so tender. Oh, so are these, look at these. Falling off, look, I mean, not a bone in them, but if there was a bone, if they fell off the bone, that's for sure. I will get all these ones cut up. Okay, I'm doing my flatbreads, that's them. I've just got them from Aldi, that's all. I'm just doing them in the toaster. Nice and simple. Does have a bit of salad here. Some tomatoes, some cucumber and that. And I'm going to do one of each on each one. That's all. Just got to keep an eye on the other flatbreads. Make sure I've got to turn them over. Bit of salad. Bit of lettuce, bit of lettuce. I'm going to put some sauce on, some mayo and that, but I want to taste the meat first, if you get what I mean. So I'll do that at the table. There's the chicken. That's the piri piri one. We'll get some of that in. Loads, look. A few crunchy bits. Bit stingy with the meat there, you know. Some tomatoes. Look what I've done. That's supposed to be the other sauce in it. I'll swap that over. That can be one each on that one then. Well, there's the peri-peri ones. And now we will do the chicken tikka orange. Get them open. There they are, look. So I can pile it up with meat anyway after that, but just for now. Some tomatoes. Oh, tomato short. No, it ain't. 2. There we go. Cucumber. Get it on. Don't worry about the look. It's all in the taste. And there we go. Have a look. Nice and simple. Chicken did take a while. Probably better do it in the air fryer, I suppose. But they look quite nice. Right. Up the table. It did look like mush, didn't it, Bab? Looked like mush in the pot, in the bags. It looked like shredded, didn't it?
That's what I was trying to say. Yeah,
it did, but it's not. Yeah, but there they are. They're absolutely. See if I can show you both. You see. That's just a thumbnail. And I'll show you now. Dog choking. There is the chicken tikka orange, which I've never had. Have you ever had a chicken tikka orange, Bob? No? And there is the peri-peri. And there's loads left. I mean, there's loads and loads left there. What do you think? Yeah, which one are you eating first?
Chicken tikka.
The chicken tikka orange. Chicken tikka orange. I'm going to try the chicken tikka orange first. I'm not going to put any sauce on it at the minute. Just want to try it first. Is it nice? I'll drop the tomato.
Definitely I like it.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Oh.
Yeah.
That tastes like chicken cheese tikka from the chippy, doesn't it?
It's really nice. It's lovely.
Oh. Yeah. Well, let me try the other one before we put some sauce on and get a drink.
Peri-peri.
The other one's peri-peri, yeah. Got a little kick to it, hasn't it, that tikka? You think?
No.
No? I think it's got a little kick.
I think it's really nice.
And now the peri-peri one. You probably can't see it. Well, that chicken tikka's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Let's get a little bit here. And it's just falling apart, isn't it, as well?
That's got a kick to it.
You can tell that's good quality chicken, can't you? It doesn't say where it's from, but that is good quality chicken, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I wonder whether... Well, that has got a kick, hasn't it, that peri-peri? I wonder whether the local butchers supply the chicken to them. Because I think it's only a West Midlands thing. I wonder whether that's the case. I should have asked the butcher, shouldn't I? I can't even remember what the butcher's called because I never go up there. Otherwise I'd have shouted him out. It's up Dimbles anyway, I can't remember what it's called. But there's no... I can't find any website for this company. They're on Facebook. But these are delicious. Let's get some mayo on there. Bring you down a bit so you can see. And don't forget, you can always do them with You can have them as a curry or anything, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could.
Really nice. Or in a wrap. Or in a jobers. Ooh, jobers, that. That's like a shop by us, a local shop. That is absolutely delicious, isn't it? Absolutely delicious. Wow. I don't even know how to eat the rest. That's a 10, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think the chicken tikka's a lot better than the... Well, I don't think it's a lot better. I think they're both absolutely delicious. But I prefer this chicken tikka one. Do you?
Chicken tikka's my favourite one.
But they're both really nice. It's what you like, isn't it?
Yeah.
They do some other ones as well. I can't remember what they do. I think they do a Mediterranean one and they do different ones. I think they do 4 or 5. But as I say, there you go. Mr. Marinade. There is a Mr. Marinade on Amazon. It's not the same. I was looking on Amazon yesterday. They do like spices. And it's supposed to be authentic, so I'm going to order some of that to try in the week, see what that's like. But yet you have to mix your own marinade with it or something. I don't know. I'll have to have a look. But I say them are gorgeous. I don't know whether they deliver around the country. I don't know what's what with it. You'd have to find out. Mr. Marinade, Middleton, Staffordshire. That's where it is. As I say, I'm the old food guy. What are you marking up, Bab? Your house full of God. You ate one already.
10.
Really nice. 10.
Yep. My
10.
favourite's the chicken tikka.
That's nice, isn't it?
I like the poo, but I just prefer...
Chicken tikka, yeah. I prefer that chicken tikka. But they're both really nice, aren't they? It's just what you prefer.
Yeah.
Yeah. As I say, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till next time. Bye-bye.